Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the door hinge for a true prep cooler. So as you can see right there, it's broken. What?
We're doing your YouTube session?
Yeah, you bet. This is the old door hinge. I'm going to be changing, I'm going to be leaving that piece, but I'll be changing this one right here. It's all damaged and broken. So first thing you want to do, take the door out, and now we're going to take this piece out. We got the new one here, so it's going to take this out. Okay, how you want to take it out is there's two screws here on the top. There's one missing, so there's only one screw holding this one. And you want to use a flat screwdriver and pry it open, pull it out, put the new one in, slide it in, screw it back together. Like so. So now we have the new one in. And now what you want to do is you want to take that piece, this piece out now. You want to take this out so you can put the top of the screw into the door hinge. You'll see what I mean. So this screw, obviously this is not the right one, so I'm going to put the right one in. Now when you've done that, can do, see here, fit that into that little square. Then you can go ahead and put that little small screw in the top. You just want to make sure you have enough clearance. So here we have one that fits here, fits right in. And now what we want is something looks like a horseshoe. I don't know what you call it, but this piece here, this goes in there like so, and then you can go ahead and put this plate back on. Just make sure it fits in like it should. and go ahead and put your screw on so it holds everything together, nothing falls out. So this is what it looks like now. See if I get this side view of it. I'm gonna change the camera angle, or actually the camera view. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now we're ready to mount this plate onto the cooler itself, right in those two holes over there. So here we go. Let's give you this kind of view.
Next time I'll just go to the YouTube page and do it myself, okay?
Okay, good. That's what I want. That's what I want.
I'll give it 10 views, okay? Do it for free now.
It's not to fit. And now we can go ahead. So here we go. Here's the other angle. Self-closing, doors straight. Everything looks perfect. So once again, that's how you change a door hinge on a true prep cooler.